I basically upgraded the neutral earth bond relay on, it's a 12 kilowatt inverter. So basically what I did is you take the live and the neutral signal wires that you get provided to comply with the NRS, 30 volts, you take that to a circuit breaker pretty much to make sure that you don't obviously fry out a dry contact, or in this case it's actual generating source. You just make sure that you protect that, alright? Then you take that to the relay as well, and then you take it to one of the contacts above the relay, because I use a three-phase contactor. Sorry, not a relay. I use a three-phase contactor. So I take one of them into one of the empty contacts, obviously the earth from your municipal earth. You take it to the top. You take the synthetic neutral that you obviously want to make that bridge in islanding mode when there's no grid. You take it at the bottom, so it's going to make contact with the synthetic neutral and your grid earth, as well as from the bottom of the 1 amp, the signal wire, you're going to take to another one of the contacts on the contactor, and you're going to take it out the bottom to the pilot light. The reason I take it through the contactor is because this is so important. When this thing goes, you could obviously not have ground potential, so it's of utmost importance, and as well as it breaks every single rule in the grid or of grid compliance to bridge them directly. You're not allowed to have, after the kiosk, a bridge between earth and neutral. So it's one of those things. It's the only way you can go about it is to do them really well, to do them safe like this, because if the contactor doesn't energize, this light isn't on, right? Even if there's signal, this light is not going to be on. So it is only going to be on when this is on and the contactor is fully energized, which is important because it basically improves redundancy. Correct. So note that you have to size your contactor to the same size as your inverter. So if your inverter can produce 60 amps, your neutral earth bond contactor cannot be a 10 amp. It has to be a minimum of 63 amps. Keep this in mind because it shorts to its reference phase at that amperage. So if it ain't rated for it, something's going to go wrong.